A Macomb County nursing home employee pleads guilty in attempted election fraud case from the 2020 general election.
Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel announced that forged signatures on absentee ballot applications that led to criminal charges against a Centerline nursing home employee has resulted in a guilty plea and jail time. Trenae Myesha Rainey, 28, was charged in Macomb County's 37th District Court with 3 counts of election law forgery and 3 counts of forging signatures on absentee ballot applications. A team of investigators began examining the matter in November of 2020 for the Attorney General. The applications came from an assisted living facility in the area, Father Murray Nursing Home. It was further determined the applications were for residents who had not yet told staff they wished to vote in the 2020 general election. Instead, investigators determined Rainey, who worked for the nursing home, did not contact the residents as set by procedure and instead filled out the applications and forged the resident's signature on each application. Rainey pleaded guilty to 3 misdemeanor counts of making false statements in an absentee ballot application. About the matter, Attorney General Nessel said, quote, "I appreciate our partners at the Department of State and the Michigan State Police who brought this case to us. These collaborative investigations assist in maintaining the integrity of our elections. This case highlights the scrutiny applications and ballots undergo throughout the election process to weed out instances in an attempted fraud. We will not hesitate to prosecute anyone, regardless of political party, who attempts to undermine our elections." End quote.